Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your girl Mook, and if you are new here, make sure you're like and subscribe. But anyway, we're gonna jump into this video. I'm pretty sure you could tell by the title that I'm just cleaning out and organizing what will be like my nail space, workspace, YouTube space, whatever space you want to call it, my office, business room, or whatever. So one day I just got up and I just literally just moved out all the boxes, everything, because this is like piled up from like a year worth of inventory. Like, yeah, my brother died and I just couldn't pick myself back up, so I just had orders on orders on orders coming from shit that I had ordered previously. So I was cleaning up. I just said I might as well just make a YouTube video and just record clips of me cleaning up and just getting the room together, really. So I just took everything out and then I sprayed down all of my storage bins and containers, and then that was that. Then I went ahead and organized everything that was loose. I organized everything that was loose, like the drill bits that you just see me working with or whatever. And then now you just see me loading everything up. Like, I had so much stuff already pre-ordered, not pre-packaged, but like, yeah, like pre-packaged, not pre-ordered. I'm sorry. Just stuff just waiting to be put on shelves. Just stuff waiting to be put together, like nail drills, like files, nail tips, all type of shit that need to go. So I might run a sale on that, but I am actually trying to, be 100% into myself this year. Me, myself, self love, my business, everything. And I actually was jamming. I wish that y'all can hear the music that I'm listening to the background, but y'all know how YouTube be. So actually, y'all can just tell me what songs y'all listening to on repeat these last little couple days in the comments below, and I will see how y'all vibing. Get y'all vibe from there. But anyway, yeah, it's a lot that I plan to do in this room, with this room, like just with my business. Period. I actually want a, what you want to call it, assistant, like a partner. I don't really want an assistant because I like to still do stuff for myself. Like, it's just certain stuff that I just feel anybody just can't do for you. So yeah, I'm like, but if I get this room together, if somebody decided to come help me, it'll be all organized and put together. Besides this side of the wall, because I am ordering a new storage bin that I am waiting for it to get put up. But I don't want nothing on that wall, so I'm really gonna have a fit about that. I'm not gonna say I got OCD, but I got a weird way of organizing stuff and what can go next to each other and what needs to be by each other. So yeah, and I know y'all probably looking at my crusty, dusty ass head, but it's okay because I was just literally just put this day aside to clean up this one room. It took me 5 hours to clean this room. But if there's anything else that y'all do want to see too, like me do to this room, or any suggestions, let me know in the comments down below. But everything I do to this room, I am going to be vlogging it for YouTube, because I'm going to start vlogging everything. That's what y'all wanted. Now that's what y'all gonna get, and y'all better watch the videos. Here we have my printer there. Excuse my hands, they dirty. I don't know why the fuck the boxes was that dirty, but they were. But we have my printer there. We have nail buffers there. We have all of my nail files there. His cuticle oil here. I have just regular like cuticle oil to keep the cracked skin. I have rejuvenating, just in case, people be getting cut and stuff when they be getting their nails done. And these are all my acrylics that I sell. New, Not Naked, Baby Doll. I think it's All That Glitters, Opal Glitz. Yeah, everything. And then I have my bubble wrap there. I have some, it's not all of them, but that's some poly mailers. I have my training hands there. Just some miscellaneous stuff there. These my nuts that I pack orders with. There. Up there we have like all the printer paper there. These are my business cards here. And then I use like my tape, my scissors, pencils. These are actually my daughter's, but yeah. These are fragile stickers and coupon codes. And here I just got like highlighters, and I haven't really found a lot of stuff to put in there yet. But I used to have a whiteboard, dry erase board. I'm gonna actually get it back. Cuticle pens. You just twist this. I ain't gonna twist it because it's gonna come out. Twist it and you use it. That's that. Then I have some empties, like what I fill those with. then in here we have all my nail card grabbers. Let's see, I get y'all some, especially for my long nail grabbers. I mean, my long nail wearers, I'm sorry. Actually, I still have some of these left. These are card grabbers actually too, but they actually go on your card. So my hands are so dirty. And then in here I have some of the new nail tips that I tested them out already. Love them. So they are on my site if you're looking for some extendos. Then down here we don't have anything yet, but I just put like miscellaneous. Like this is like glitter and stuff that I ordered like off Amazon. Just a whole bunch of glitter and stuff in there. And then these are all nail tips too. The nail tips is already on my site. My curve tips. And then this is coming soon. This is what my USPS box that I just pack orders in. And these are cuticle oil, so when those get low there, I just fill them up. And in here I have my brushes, cuticle nippers, cuticle pushers. And this is for when I make my starter kits. That everything else outside of the liquid and the powder go in there to keep it together. And actually, I like to sell stuff with storage because I like when I get stuff and it be stuff with storage. Then these are just cuticle bits. I mean, not cuticle bits, but gel bits. But these are specifically cuticle bits. And then those is empty. I haven't decided what I'm going to put in there yet. But yeah, my vanity set will go there in that corner. I'm going to set this side up. It's like my actual YouTube premiere. Then that's just going to be all shipping stuff over there. But here we actually have like acrylic, like bulks of acrylic that I ordered that I never like pursued, to put it like that. See, it's like real glitter, a lot of glitter actually in there. It's glitter in there, and it's actually solid color acrylics in there. These are just like the containers that I hold the glitters in when I mix them together and make them. This bin down here, just miscellaneous stuff, scales, business cards, put some press-on nails in there. Just miscellaneous stuff in there. And here is all my nail kit prep stuff, like when I sell nail kits in there. This is actually my selfie ring light setup. And then in this box we have bottles to like pour like monomer in for my nail starter kits or whatever. But that is really it for now. And I'm going to start blogging more, everything. So I'm just going to step back out again so you can see the full. Okay, so I decided to add my little, it's just a little table that I got from Walmart. Just until I get an actual desk in here. Not the vanity, but the desk. I'm going to put the vanity there. And I'm going to put the desk over here. But this table I used to like, I did just clean this off with bleach. But it's, y'all know how acrylic do. It's clean though. But y'all know how to. And then I have to, well, these are just like acrylic bottles. So when I do make new glitters and stuff, I already got the bottles and made. These are my electric nail files. They're also so unpacked over there. I think it's glitter in this box too. I'm not sure. I don't remember, but I just remember this is just like, not wholesale, but like my wholesale stuff that I have bought, like cuticle oil pens and cuticle oil jars and just stuff like that. But I will be back with an updated video.